Let's do another cross-stitch kit review, this time Dimension Gold Collection Petite's Travel Memories. This is one of the newer kits. It is still widely available and I love it. I'm Michelle, this is my romantic tangle, and I love Dimensions kits. This one took me a little over a month to stitch. I was also working on other projects, so it wasn't nonstop. As much as I love Dimensions kits, I can't get over how much fun I had with this one. I started with the butterfly and used that as my landmark, and then I stitched around it, and I was kind of doing one of the documents at a time to keep my place. The thing that sets this apart from the other Dimensions kits I've been working on lately is most of this is half stitches. You get so much done so quickly. The butterfly, the pen, the little corner pieces, the eraser, the stamps, those are full cross stitches, but most of the rest is half cross stitches. And they use a combination of half cross stitches and back stitching to get great effect on these letters. Even the stuff like the postmarks that looks like it'll be fiddly went really quickly. I got this for Christmas either last year or the year before, and I picked it up a couple times intending to start it, looked at it, told myself it was going to be maybe harder than I wanted to work with right then. Once I finally did open it up and start stitching, I was amazed at how fast my progress went. Only 6 of the colors are full cross stitches. The rest goes very quickly, and the full cross stitches go quickly too. It's just compared to the half cross stitches, you have to slow down a bit and pay more attention to what you're doing. I did on the back stitching find myself going, okay, I am outlining a sheet of paper here, so I didn't focus on matching exactly where the lines were on the chart. I looked at what I was supposed to accomplish and then did what it took to get that look. The back stitching on the Eiffel Tower was a little more fiddly, and I did take some liberties when it comes to the confetti stitching there at the bottom of the tower. I ran out of one color of floss, and for the last 10 stitches, I just filled in with what I had, and I think that was fine. I think in a pattern like this, the intention is for a scattering of different shades of brown, and that's what I did, just not exactly the different shades of brown that the designer might have intended. Not a huge fan of the gold. It looks cute, it adds a sparkle, but it's been a long time since I've stitched with metallic floss. If I had it to do over again, if I do another project that has metallic floss, I will cut it off of these floss organizers and store it in a separate bag until it is time to use it. I am a huge advocate of using the floss directly off of these organizers, but that thin metallic floss really wanted to tangle with absolutely everything else, and it drove me nuts. That was my one complaint about working with this kit. I did run out of one of the shades of brown. I don't know if that is because I was not frugal enough using it for my back stitching or quite what went wrong there. I don't think I lost any. I know that I didn't have to frog any sections with the brown, but maybe, and this is my theory, there are blended threads, so maybe what I needed for that last dozen or so stitches was in leftovers of other blends that I'd threaded onto my needle. I don't know for sure, and I'm not going to worry about it. I substituted some DMC and it worked out fine. I love these Petites kits. I recommend this one if it is the subject matter you want to stitch and you like a lot of half crosses and don't mind some fiddly back stitching to get the effect you want. Thanks for watching. I'm Michelle. This is my romantic tangle, and I have a video showing how I stitch from that floss organizer. If that would be helpful to you, I also have a playlist of cross stitch tips.